Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to change United Airlines account password. So if you also want to change your United Airlines account password, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, launch open United Airlines application. Wait for it to load. You can see over here United Airlines is opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now what you have to do is go to your account, tap on the account icon that you can see at the bottom right corner. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see several options over here. Scroll down. Under the help and settings, you'll be able to see the option for account security. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see two options over here, verification code and change password. What you have to do is tap on the option change password. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You might also have to sign into your account again, and then a verification code will be sent to your email address. Open your Gmail. Make sure you're logged into your account. United Airlines will send you an email. Tap on it. You can see the verification code over here. Memorize this code. Go back to application. Now enter this code. Now tap on the continue option that you can see over here. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to create a new password now. Now what you have to do is type in your current password. Tap on the box current password. Now type in your current password. After that, you'll have to create a new password. Tap on the box new password. Type in the new password. Keep in mind that new password cannot be the one that's been recently used. Also, it must be at least 8 characters in length, and it must include at least one letter and one number. And standard special characters are also allowed. Now type in your new password. Now tap on the save option that you can see over here. After that, your password will be changed. So that is how you change United Airlines account password. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.